called Where is the Stadium Now?
Okay.
One day, Hokie Bird went to the stadium today. Brandon had a little balloon. He was a little kid. And Erin didn't come because she was first a little baby. Brandon was 2, but he was a little younger. So Hokie Bird went to see the ducks. Back to you and you. And then he saw the stadium when he saw the America flag and all the stadiums that were around them. And they saw the band, and now count the band again. 1, 2, 2, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9.
9.
There's 9!
There's 9!
Not 10!
Not 10. Okay, go to the next page.
When Hokie Bird went to the library, he said shh to the librarian, 'cause she was pretty loud on the computer. And Hokie Bird typed his name and was quiet and marched loud in the stadium when all the people said, "Hi, Hokie Bird." When he passed the street, then Hokie Bird realized that he should stop getting the stadium ready. When some people were realizing, said, "Hi, Hokie Bird," and Erin said nothing because she was at home. Why is there tape here? Because I ripped it.
Yep.
Why did I rip it?
It was an accident.
Oh. And Hokie Bird saw the cheerleaders, and the Hokies were arriving soon when the Orioles bird come. When they were dancing, and Erin was true to have the Hokie dance, then Brandon was all the way down here, and Erin was all the way up there. So Brandon and all the Hokie Bird, he saw the Orioles bird too. Do you know why Brandon and Erin saw the Orioles bird too?
Why?
'Cause he said to Brandon, "I'm going to come to the stadium today," and the man made a costume into the Oriole bird, and then he came to the stadium.
Do you remember who that guy is?
No.
The coach?
And the coach gave Hokie Bird a high five because he did the Hokie Bird dance great. When Hokie Bird was tired, more kids arrived, and Brandon was at home, and Hokie Bird slept longer as he wanted to. He sticked his feet off the bed, and he had a bobble head of Hokie Bird just down in the basement.
Good one.
And the other one was the cars called when the stadium was closed.